Hi, thanks Akshay, and a very good afternoon to everyone, all the guests who are attending, and the dignitaries who have joined us together in the panel today. And I wouldn't take much time, and I would invite for the keynote address for this event on mastering the ESG journey and unveiling of the ESG Almanac, both the India and the global versions, uh, Mr. Alok Dheer. Mr. Alok Dheer is the founder and managing partner of Dheer and Dheer Associates, a leading full-service law firm, and is the first firm to launch ESG practice in India. Mr. Dheer has been consistently recognized as a leading lawyer by Legal 500, Chambers and Partners, IFLR 1000, India Business Law Journal, Benchmark Litigation, and many more. I won't keep you myself in between his keynote address and the start of the event. So, Mr. Alok Dheer, please.
Thank you, Sonal. And Sonal, I must say, you never stop playing the trick on me for at the last moment. And you asked me just to welcome everybody. And now you have put me on the cross by saying that I have to deliver a keynote address. Well, let me plod along and see what we can do. But dear all eminent guests present today, Girish Joshi, Manish Gupta, Dheeraj Khandelwal, Anil Gambhir, Anubhav Kapoor, Inderpreet Kaur, Seema Bennett, and all friends and delegates who've joined us. A big thank you for sharing this moment with us and participating in this event of unveiling the ESG Almanac. I am delighted to announce the release of the Indian and global version of the Almanac, which is the first of its kind proprietary tool developed by Dheer and Dheer Associates. This Almanac constitutes a set of actionables collated to provide a simple framework for businesses to interpret and ascertain a definite annual agenda in line with the ESG obligations. The release of the Almanac is very timely, as the SEBI in its board meeting on 25th March 21 and subsequent circular released a new format, reporting format on 10th of May 21, replacing the existing business responsibilities reporting mechanism, BRR, with the business responsibility and sustainable reporting mechanism, the BRSR. While this framework is voluntary for 21-22, it will become a mandatory obligation for listed companies from 22-23. While the concern on ESG is a serious aspect for consideration by entities in India who believe in sustainable and inclusive future, however, we have seen that increasingly corporates have to think beyond financial return and need to lay additional emphasis on global needs for sustainable and inclusive development, and they are likely to be judged on their response to pressing social and environmental issues while ensuring financial growth. Today, foreign capital places a lot of emphasis on ESG compliances by the investing company. For Indian corporates to grow, ESG has become an imperative in a world where the realization has set in that mere wealth creation at the cost of exploitation of the environment, human resources, and governance standards is no more acceptable. ESG is not merely a compliance requirement, but is a new way of life in doing business. In this background, our Almanac will act as a lighthouse for our corporates, a beacon for navigating the increasingly complex compliance requirements for the corporates to follow to address their ESG concerns. As you are all aware, years of exploitation has brought the world to the brink of disaster in just one generation. We've seen environmental degradation at an increasingly fast rate. Global warming, climate changes, tsunami, wildfires, soil degradation, depleting forest cover have devastated large land masses, air pollution, noise pollution, toxic air, water, and food have disturbed the ecological balance of our planet. Exploitation of workmen, child labor, human slavery, trafficking is the worst type of exploitation suffered by the human race. We are hurtling towards complete devastation. ESG stands as a sentinel to guard against any further exploitation of our environment, human resources, and to put a sustainable governance standards in place. We at Dheer treat this situation as a defining transition of our time, and ESG as the tool to drive positive change to our society and redefine business goals for our corporates to become responsible stakeholders in building a better world. We see ourselves as the Khevaias, the boatsmen, working with and helping corporates, governments, business, investors across to cross the chasm to a more responsible, sustainable, and inclusive future. And lastly, just before I leave, I wanted to leave you with a thought that has been concerning me for a while now. We have seen exploitation of natural resources, human rights, poor business practices, and lax corporate governance. Perhaps ESG, along with the sustainable development goals, is the answer to that. However, we are now facing an exploitation of a very unique kind, the most valuable and inexhaustible resource, the human mind. Social media, engineers, behavioral scientists, psychologists, etc., are working on technologies to create tools to control and influence the mind and behavior of the humans for commercial gains. These new tools replace the shovel for extracting natural resources, axe, the environmental degradation, sword, the human domination of yore, with insidious, unseen, and imperceptible ways to control, influence, and exploit the mind. It is the last frontier. If we cannot create adequate defense mechanisms and processes, humanity will be in peril. A few decades from now, H may be added for humans to ESG. However, I can assure you that we at Dheer and Dheer will be working tirelessly to avoid this Armageddon. Thank you so much. With this, I give it back to Su.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dheer, for aptly putting the thought process behind the ESG Almanac at Dheer and Dheer Associates. And in this whole journey of mastering the ESG for companies in India and globally. Now, won't take much time and would, in the presence of all the guests who have attended today and our dignitaries from Bombay Stock Exchange, ICSI, ICAI, Blue Dart, Ford India, Every Woman Limited, Beyond Governance, in presence of everyone on the background of what Mr. Dheer just told about the process, what on ESG could help for companies. I would request Akshay to play the unveiling of the almanac.